Do you want to know about black holes, a region of space having extremely strong gravitational pull from which nothing, not even light, can escape? Then do watch this video till the end to know more black hole shocking fact. Number 10. Phoenix. The smallest known black hole is named Phoenix. It's also known as M82's black hole. Its mass is only 6.6 million times that of our Sun. While most of the other black holes in our list are thousands of light years away from Earth, Phoenix lies just 12 million light years away in the constellation of Coma Berenices. Since it is relatively close to Earth, astronomers can observe it as early and study its behavior in detail. Scientists have seen matter falling into the black hole at 30% of the speed of light, but its size is so small that it cannot be detected even with the largest optical wavelength telescopes. Astronomers use data from X-ray telescopes like Chandra and others to locate it. For instance, they have used the Chandra X-ray Observatory to trace material flowing out of the black hole. Number 9. The unicorn. The second smallest black hole ever discovered is located in the center of the galaxy NGC 4038, also called the Black Eye. This giant black hole has a mass 72 million times greater than that of our Sun. The reason why it is called the unicorn is because when astronomers looked at it through the Hubble Space Telescope, they saw only one jet shooting out of it. There was no evidence of any other jet. However, after 2 years, when they examined it again, the telescope detected 2 jets on either side of the black hole, similar to the horns of a unicorn. These observations were published in the Astrophysical Journal. The black hole itself cannot be seen. Astronomers can only observe the bright material surrounding it. As the material falls into the black hole, it heats up to millions of degrees, causing it to glow brightly in X-rays and other wavelengths. The new observations suggest that the jets may play a role in regulating star formation in nearby galaxies by bringing an end to the supply of gas available for star formation. No, 8 Sagittarius, a star. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains a supermassive black hole at its center. It is located near the constellation Sagittarius and is therefore called Sagittarius, a star. This giant black hole has a mass 4 million times that of our Sun. However, despite being so massive, it is relatively inactive and does not attract much matter towards it. As a result, it is difficult to detect. If it were as active as some other supermassive black holes, it would be easy to spot. The intense energy released by Sagittarius, a star, could be felt as far away as Earth. However, this is not the case. Although it is relatively inactive, scientists still consider it a threat to our solar system. If something were to destabilize it, it could start attracting matter at a rapid pace. This could spell disaster for our solar system. Therefore, although it does not pose a threat at present, we must still keep an eye on it. In 2022, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first image of our supermassive black hole. The image was captured when our Earth was almost exactly lined up with the black hole and the bright material around it. The black hole itself cannot be seen since nothing can escape its grasp, not even light. Instead, the image shows the glowing material around it. This material is heated to millions of degrees as it falls into the black hole, causing it to emit light and other radiation. The image provides an unprecedented view of the inner workings of a black hole and gives us valuable information about how matter behaves under such extreme conditions. Number 7. Black hole with the largest bulge. Astronomers have discovered a black hole with the largest bulge ever found. The bulge is a massive structure made of gas and dust that surrounds the black hole. It is located in the center of the galaxy NGC 6288 and has a diameter of over 1,000 light-years. The black hole itself is about 50 million light-years away from Earth. The discovery was made using the Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter Array in Chile. The ALMA radio telescope is one of the world's most advanced astronomical instruments. It consists of 66 radio telescopes working together to form This allows ALMA to achieve a resolution equivalent to a single telescope, over 16 kilometers in diameter. Using this instrument, astronomers were able to map the structure of the bulge in great detail. They found that it is elongated into a shape resembling a cigar. The bulge is thought to have formed when the galaxy's central black hole consumed a large amount of gas and dust. This caused the material to heat up and emit a bright light. The light was so intense that it blew out a huge bubble in the surrounding gas, creating the observed bulge. 6. Black hole twins. NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory has discovered two black holes that are nearly identical in size. The two black holes are located in the center of the galaxy M77, which is about 50 million light-years away from Earth. The larger of the two black holes has a mass 66 million times that of our Sun, while the smaller one is 53 million times as heavy. Despite their similar masses, the black holes would beat each other at a distance of only 2,400 light-years. This is much closer than the 39,000 light-year distance between our Sun and the next star in the solar system. The discovery of these black hole twins was made by studying the X-ray emissions from the galaxy. By analyzing the data, astronomers were able to infer the size of the black holes and their orbital characteristics. The two black holes are thought to have formed when two galaxies, each containing a supermassive black hole, merged to form one. Number 5. The most distant black hole ever found. No, Bob and Tabby. Astronomers have discovered a black hole that is 100 times heavier than our Sun, but has no light coming from its vicinity. The strange object was spotted in the middle of a small galaxy around 30 million light-years from us. It was given the name Bob, but it gained another name, Tabby, when scientists learned that it had two previously unknown companions. These companions are not stars or planets, but rogue black holes. A rogue black hole is one that has been ejected from its host galaxy and is drifting through intergalactic space. The discovery was made using data from the Gaia spacecraft, which is designed to map the positions and movements of stars in the Milky Way. The scientists who made the discovery believe that Bob and Tabby may be the first members of a new class of objects called intermediate mass black holes. Intermediate mass black holes are thought to form when a small galaxy merges with another larger galaxy. The small galaxy-S black hole is then ejected from the center of the larger galaxy and becomes a rogue. Number 3. Black hole with the most moons. The title of the black hole with the most moons goes to the extremely massive black hole at the center of the Messier 77 galaxy. This colossus has a whopping 39 known moons. The moons are actually extremely tight clusters of stars orbiting the black hole. The largest of these stellar clusters has over 10,000 stars and is located just 175 light-years from the black hole. Other moons are intermediate in size, ranging from several hundred to a few thousand stars each. These moons are thought to have formed when gas and dust collapsed around the black hole. The material that collapsed was probably pulled in by the black hole from the galaxy's accretion disk. The moons themselves are not visible, but astronomers have studied them by observing the stars that orbit them. The stars move very fast, up to 200 kilometers per second. This indicates that they are in a very tight orbit around the black hole. The discovery of these moons was made in 2004 using data from the Hubble Space Telescope. At the time, astronomers had never seen anything like it. The number of moons was surprising and puzzling. Scientists have yet to figure out how exactly they formed and why they are so tightly bound to the black hole. Further research is needed to solve this mystery. Number 2. Black hole with the fastest speed. A research team led by astrophysicist Lemaire DeRose at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, has discovered a new black hole that is breaking the rules. The black hole is located in the center of the galaxy NGC 3147 and is moving at an incredible speed of 18,000 kilometers per second. To put this into perspective, that is 6% of the speed of light. The previous known record for a supermassive black hole speed was 6,000 kilometers per second. The researchers found the blazing fast black hole while studying a collection of galaxies that seemed to be moving unusually fast. They noticed that NGC 3147 seemed to be moving faster than all the other galaxies in the group. When they looked more closely, they found that the galaxy was being pulled along by a massive black hole that was moving at a speed of 18,000 kilometers per second. This discovery was made possible by measuring the velocities of the stars in the galaxy using the Hobby-Hackell spectrograph at the McDonald Observatory in Texas. The team hopes that by studying the black hole, they will be able to learn more about how galaxies evolve and interact with each other. Number 1. The largest black hole in the universe. The largest black hole ever discovered is located in the center of the galaxy NGC 4039, which is 32 million light-years away from Earth. This giant black hole has a mass of 660 billion times that of our Sun. To put this into perspective, the largest black hole previously known was only 20 billion times heavier than the Sun. The discovery of this enormous black hole was made by a team of astronomers led by Professor David Merritt at the Rochester Institute of Technology in New York. The team used the Hubble Space Telescope to measure the velocity of stars in the galaxy's core. By studying the motion of the stars, they were able to calculate the mass of the central black hole. The discovery was quite a surprise, as NGC 4039 is a relatively small galaxy. The team was not expecting to find such a massive black hole in the center of such a small galaxy. This discovery has raised a lot of questions and sparked debate among astronomers. One question is, how did such a massive black hole form in a relatively small galaxy? Another question is whether there are even larger black holes in the universe that we have not yet discovered. The team plans to continue studying the galaxy to try to answer these questions. They hope that their findings will help to advance our understanding of how black holes form and evolve. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We will see you in the next video.